So we're on the lift. We have this prepped here all the way to the top of the window on this side. Scraped it all, brushed it, a little bit of caulking, and all this too. So I think all of this is ready all the way down to there. And we are on the top of the lift. We're actually standing on the bar here. Maybe not the safest thing to do, but I'm kind of boxed in here. I got supports all the way around me here. And we're kind of out of the way of the bees, so I did get stung once on the wrist, but when I was swinging the whisk broom trying to brush everything, probably hit one and got a little panicky and then bit me. Other than that, that was the only one. Two of them landed on me and then went away. You can see the activity. Lots of activity going on. So my plan is, as of right now, I would like to see these guys survive. I'm going to have to explore where they're going inside and see if I can intervene and have them go right into a box. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out, but I will explore that later on when they're not in the midst of their working. And when I'm not in the midst of working outside here. So I need to measure this, get the new piece on here. A little bit more prep over there. Well, quite a bit. We got some below the window here. May as well get that. And then we'll start priming. Okay, let's get back to work. The honeybees are working.